So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is land resources of Karnataka. So today I am going to explain about the food crops. In the food crops, the main important crops those are of our Karnataka are paddy and the jawar. So first let me start with the paddy. Do you all know what you mean by paddy? Paddy is also called as the rice. So paddy is an important food crop of Karnataka. Rice is the staple food of the people of Karnataka, which it's a daily food, diet food. And paddy is grown in 28.2% of the total cultivable land. Not only it is a rain fed, but also it is in a through the irrigation facilities and using of chemical fertilizers and high yielding means produce hybrid seeds have resulted improvement in the production of paddy. Paddy is a tropical crop. Cultivation of paddy requires heavy rainfall and high temperature. So the areas, whichever the areas having less rainfall needed, they will adopt an irrigation facilities for growing the paddy cultivation. And paddy requires its level land. Level means flat, fertile and muddy and with alluvial soil are good for the paddy cultivation. And organic manure and leaves of trees and abundant means more number of laborers are required for the cultivation of paddy. Nearly 70% of paddy is sown, put the seed during the month of June to August. Why in the month of June to August? Because it is a rainy season. And harvesting, means cutting during the month of November and the December. And it is also called as a kharif crop. Why it is called as a kharif crop? Because it is sown in the month of June to August and it is harvested in the months of November to December. So it is called as a kharif crop. And even in summer also the paddy is grown in areas which irrigation facilities are available. And at that time, that is in the months of February and June. So that is called as a rabi crop. Why it is called as a rabi crop? Because it is sown in the month of February and June. So it is called as a rabi crop. And in Malnad, paddy is grown by broadcasting method. Do you all know what you mean by broadcasting method? Is nothing but taking a handful of rice and scattering, just throwing into the soil. That is called hand. Using hand method is called. It is also called as a using hand method. It is called as a broadcasting method. So and in the plains by stapling, by it is planting by transplanting method in the plains, where in the north east side in the plains they are you can see they will be stapling the plants. That is called as a transplanting method. First they'll grow the staples somewhere and then bring the staples and they will be planting. That is called as a transplanting method. Broadcasting method means what? Just scattering the rice in the soil is called as a broadcasting method. And transplanting method is nothing but bringing the staples of the paddy plants and stapling them, planting them. That is called as a transplanting method. And the next one, which are the areas paddy growing areas, in which are the areas paddy is grown much. growing in all the districts of Karnataka. But the Krishna to Tungabhadra, Kaveri valley and in the coastal districts are famous for the paddy cultivation. Raichur district stands first in the production of paddy. Next comes the Ballari, Shivamogga, Davanagiri, Mysuru, Mandya, Koppala, Uttara Kannada, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Kalburgi. And other paddy growing areas of Karnataka are Tumkur, Hassan, Chikkamangaluru, Kodagu, Belagavi. So these are, and the production and quality of paddy is better in the irrigated areas. So this is about the paddy, and the next one about the jawar. Jawar, this is the second important crop in Karnataka after the paddy. Until recently, the area under jawar cultivation was more than that of paddy. But in recent years, it has been reduced. What? The cultivation of the jawar. The total area under jawar cultivation is 26% of the cultivable area. So here the Karnataka stands second and Maharashtra stands first in the production of jawar in India. So jawar is the staple food, means daily diet food of the people of North Karnataka, and it is mainly used for the preparing of the rotis. And the stal of jawar plants are used as cattle fodder. Fodder, do you know what do you mean by food? And in South Karnataka, jawar is mainly grown for the sake of the cattle feed, means for the sake of the cattle for the food. And this crops also belongs to the grass family, which jawar, but because it looks like a grass, so it belongs to the grass family. And its jawar's botanical name is Sorghum vulgare. It is a topical crop and it requires moderate rainfall. Do you all know what do you mean by moderate? Means what? Average. And moderate and temperature mixed with black and the red soil and also the alluvial soil are suitable for the jawar. It is a rain-fed crop, means it is cultivated mainly at the time of a rainy season, and grown by using even the broadcast method also, means scattering the seeds with the hands. That is called as a broadcasting method, and it depends on the southwest monsoon. So this is about the jawar and the growing areas, in which are the areas this jawar is grown. And except a few districts of the South Karnataka, all other districts grow jawar, like Vijayapura, Kalaburgi, Bagalkot, Raichur, and Bidar, Ballari, Davangere, Koppala, Gadag are the main where the production of jawar is more, and Vijayapura stands the first in the producing of jawar, and the next comes that is Chitradurga, Shivamogga, Chamarajanagar, Tumkuru and Mandya districts also produce the jawar. So these are the two what I have explained you all about the food crops. So in the next class again I am going to continue with my lesson. I hope so you all understand it, students. Thank you so much.